Today I am going to discuss about the how the password manager will be working, and on that what is the process, how they are managing, how we are generating the password, that will be discussed here. Okay, so coming to this picture, I can say I already assigned this picture where you can see we have already I mentioned the step here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and how it is working. So let's discuss about this thing. First we have this usage scenario, and second we have a client like any application, web application or like mobile application you are using for the UI purpose. So that is comes under the client, and this scenario like if you are an individual user and you are using for that password, a team password, and application password. So we have a password scenario also, the password which is used by single person, which is used by the team, or which is used by the for the application password. So this type of password we can generate or we can use, and how that will be working. I already mentioned the steps here. You can see in the first step, when we sign up for the password manager, we enter our email address and set up an account password. And after the password manager generate a secret key for us. And in the third field, I used to generate the MUK shortcut for the master unlock key. You can see here. And SRPX using the 2SKT algorithm, and MUK is used to decrypt value and that store our password. And note that the secret key is stored locally but will not be sent to the password manager server side. So this is happen in the first step when we are using the like if you are creating any first time your registration, you are setting the password, you are using your email address for the UI or some username purpose, I can say. So in the first step this process is performed. Coming to the second step, in the first step you already see using the email password how we are generating the password master unlock key. We have this 2SKD algorithm. In this we are using the MUK, that is unlock password value, and going here. And after this it is second step. Coming to here in third step, like how this key value or password will be encrypted, decrypting process is happening. This is happened from the third step to till 5. So coming to the third step, we already generated. In the second step I mentioned here, like the MUK generated in step 1 is used to generate the encrypted MP key of the primary key set. You can see here we already created MUK, and which is used this key for the third step process. MP key. This MP key you send in the green box I already highlighted. Then in the third through fifth step, what the process is repeating, the MP key is used to generate a private key, then which can be used to generate AES key in the other key set. And this private key is also used to generate the value key, vault key. And vault store a collection of item for us in the server side, and this item can be password, notes, etc. And if you're like also using the cloud or any application, I working on the Azure cloud. So I in the Azure cloud also we have this type of scenario, client vault value managed identity, which we are using for the storing the password purpose for application, for web application, or like what the any precious information or precious data you want to save, you can use this client store value. And in the sixth step, the value key is used to decrypt the item in the vault. So coming to the sixth step, we have a vault key. From this fifth step we are getting this, and after the vault key we get the password. Vault key is nothing but we can say like it is a decrypting or encrypting form of our password, which we are storing for the security purpose. Similarly for this private vault for the single user purpose, and here you can see vault key value for this read only team purpose. Read write, like what the password we are having, we are also giving the roles like this can be used for the read access, this can be used for the write access. Like if you're Azure, I'm giving the Azure scenario, like we're using the Azure portal for your application, for the business, for your company. You can see there we have a different role, like for the contributor or for the admin, for the manager. So each role have a different access. Like if you have a contributor read access, contributor write access. So basis on that we are having this application password or team password, which we can able to use or use their services. So here also we can see we have a this single purpose, it is team purpose, read only for the team purpose. Some of the sources we have to be assigned for the read only, some of the sources we assign for the write and read both option only. Okay, so this is the like assigning and role basis on that we are providing the password. And last one we can see which we share the password in the team or individually, so that will act as a shared value. So this is happening in the team or outside the team, or like if you are having a team you are sharing it within that, or if you having like other team which you can try to give the for the demo purpose your application using, so you can use the share vault value also. Vault is like can only the decrypt the client using the MUK. So this is the process happening for the password, and because of this complex process the password manager has no way to know the encrypted password, and we only need to remember one account password, and the password manager will remember the rest. So that is for the password we discuss. And coming to the question, I just want to ask you all, if you are watching this video, what which password manager have you used till now, or you will be going to use for the future also? Just check it and please comment it here. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.